Are you interested in purchasing NFTs? Should you try to flip NFTs to make a profit?
I'm gonna sell them all on eBay.
Today's video is a beginner's guide on how to purchase NFTs and where to buy them. So if you want to get into the world of trading NFTs, make sure you watch this video till the end. What are NFTs? NFT stands for non-fungible token. NFTs are unique and non-interchangeable units of data stored on a digital ledger, aka the blockchain. Unlike cash and Bitcoin, which is fungible, for example, if I loan you $20, you can repay me with a different $20 bill, and that's perfectly fine because cash is fungible. NFTs are non-fungible, meaning they're one of a kind. For example, if I let you borrow my truck and you return a different truck, non-fungible. Cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum are considered coins because they run on their own blockchain. NFTs don't have their own blockchain. They are tokens that operate on another crypto's blockchain like Ethereum or Solana. The token is the data, which can include what it is, who the creator is, when was it made, who owned it, and most importantly, current ownership. NFTs are more than a picture or GIF. They have many different uses like art, music, event tickets, virtual items, real-world items, gaming, domain names, collectibles, etc. What makes NFTs valuable? What makes the Mona Lisa valuable? What makes the first edition Charizard valuable? The Mona Lisa is valuable because it's one of a kind and is made by the most famous artist of all time, Leonardo da Vinci. The first edition Charizard is valuable because of its rarity and popularity. NFTs are valuable in the same way, just in a digital form. Think of it this way, if I made an NFT and made 10,000 editions of it, I don't think anyone would buy it. But if Beeple made an NFT, it would sell for millions because he's the most famous NFT artist in the world. Beeple's first 500 days NFT sold for a record whopping $69 million. But what's stopping anyone from copying and pasting this NFT? Well, nothing. You could essentially create the same NFT, but because of the blockchain, it's not the same NFT. Different creator, different date of creation, and whatnot. It's like someone printing off a copy of the Mona Lisa. One is worthless and the other is worth close to $900 million. There are actually a few different reasons why NFTs are valuable. One of a kind, unique, or first editions, or lowest serial numbers have more value. Even previous owners can add value to an NFT. Another reason why NFTs are so valuable is because of appreciation. People are buying NFTs in the hope for someone paying more for it.
My offer is this: nothing.
Other reasons why NFTs have value include utility, liquidity, and bragging rights. But in the end, NFTs have no value without the community. The NFT community are the creators, collectors, investors, and traders. Currently, the NFT market cap is almost 28 billion US dollars. Now, before we get into how to buy NFTs, can I get you to like this video so the NFT market can grow? And just to let you know, this isn't an NFT or crypto channel. This is a Canadian financial education channel, and NFTs and crypto are to be considered a new asset class, which can be important for your investment portfolio or can be a new source of income. So if you want to improve your financial literacy, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when a new video comes out. Let's get into it. The first step to buying most NFTs is opening up an account at a crypto exchange. Which one will depend on your personal needs. If you're just interested in buying NFTs, check out the NFT platform you're interested in and see what cryptocurrencies they take as payment. The most popular choice for most platforms is Ether on Ethereum. Some of the best Canadian exchanges for purchasing and withdrawing Ether include Newton, Shakepay, NDAX, and VirgoCX. The right one will depend on your purchase and withdrawal amount and the current volume on the Ethereum market. And it might actually be a good choice to have multiple platforms to test which one is currently the cheapest option. I'll leave links to these platforms in the video description below, so if you want to get a sign-up bonus, make sure you use one of those links. Once you have your platform all set up, you'll need to deposit fiat currency to the platform. The quickest and easiest way to do this is by e-transfer. After you fund your account with fiat currency, you can purchase some Ether. The next step is to transfer your Ethereum to your crypto wallet. The crypto wallet you choose will once again depend on the platform you want to use to buy NFTs. The most popular choice is the MetaMask wallet. You can download the MetaMask browser extension on web browsers like Chrome and Firefox, or you can download the app on Android or iOS devices. Once you create an account, account, you can start transferring Ether to your MetaMask wallet. Just copy your MetaMask wallet address, go to your crypto exchange platform and choose to withdraw or send Ether, then paste the MetaMask address and that's it. You now have Ether on your MetaMask wallet. Now there's two other ways you can purchase Ether with your fiat dollars to buy an NFT. One, directly through a wallet like MetaMask, or directly on the NFT platform through a third-party company. But be aware that buying Ether through these means will incur extra fees, which will make the overall cost of buying an NFT more expensive. Plus, depending on the platform, your transaction might get rejected by your financial institution. So it's best to buy Ether on a Canadian crypto exchange. The last step before you can start buying NFTs is linking your MetaMask wallet to the platform you want to buy NFTs from. There might also be another step where you have to create an account with the NFT platform. Once your wallet is connected, you can browse the NFT market and buy whatever you like. You may be wondering, what should I buy?
Don't ask me, I don't know.
What you buy will depend on your motive with the NFT. Are you collecting NFTs just as a hobby? Do you want bragging rights? Are you looking for a long-term investment, or are you just looking to flip them and make a quick buck? Whatever your goals are, do your own research and never just follow what some random guy on YouTube tells you. Alright, now that you know how to buy NFTs, where should you buy them? Currently, the biggest NFT market is OpenSea. They feature some of the most popular NFT collections in the world, like CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and this Meebit that sold for 420 Ether. With this NFT platform, you can buy, sell, or even create your own NFT. The different types of NFTs for sale include art, music, domain names, virtual worlds, trading cards, collectibles, sports, and utility. OpenSea supports many different wallets, including MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Damper, Trust Wallet, and more. Also at OpenSea, you may be able to purchase an NFT directly with your credit card. Just be aware that there will also be a foreign exchange fee, and for some odd reason, I was also charged a cash advance fee for the purchase. Purchasing NFT on OpenSea is the easiest when you already have Ether on your linked wallet, and selling an NFT that you own could be just as easy. There might be a few hoops to jump through, like switching your wallet to a different network, like the Polygon mainnet. This is the case when purchasing and selling an NFT wrapped with Ether. Another very popular NFT marketplace is Rarible. Here you can also create, sell, and collect NFTs. The type of NFTs available are art, photography, games, metaverse, music, domains, DeFi, memes, punks, and not safe for work. NFTs on this platform can also be listed on OpenSea, but not the other way around. The wallets they support include MetaMask, Taurus, Coinbase, Portis, and more. There is no need to create an account, just link your wallet. You may also purchase NFTs directly using a credit card or debit card for a fee. Other fees you need to consider with Rarible and OpenSea are their service fee. Both charge 2.5% for every transaction. This is actually cheap compared to other NFT marketplaces. Another fee to consider is the royalty fee charged by the creator of the NFT. This fee must be paid when you resell another creator's artwork. There's also a hidden fee to all transactions, and that's gas fees. These are the fees paid to the miners for transactions to happen on the Ethereum blockchain. Who pays these fees will depend on the type of transaction. Gas fees are charged when transferring crypto, buying an NFT, accepting an offer, converting wrapped Ether to Ether, and many other transactions. The cost of gas fees fluctuate depending on the demand of gas. One of my favorite places to buy NFTs is NBA Top Shop. This platform isn't like OpenSea or Rarible. On this platform, you can only buy or sell NBA or WNBA NFTs, which they call moments. These are official in-game clips of NBA and WNBA players. You cannot create your own NFTs here. The only creator is the partnership between the NBA and Dapper Labs. One thing I like about Top Shot is that Dapper Labs is a Canadian company based out of Vancouver. With NBA Top Shot, you can create an account by creating a Dapper wallet. You can do this by email or through your Google account. You can add to your Dapper balance by credit card or cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrencies they currently accept are Ether, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, DAI, and USD Coin. Once your Dapper wallet is funded, you can buy moments. You may also buy moments directly by credit card or crypto. There's two ways to buy moments: buying packs of moments or buying moments in the marketplace. When you buy a pack, you never know what you're gonna get. I find no matter how shitty the cards are, I can sell them in the marketplace for more than what I paid for the pack. And if you're lucky, you can get a low serial number or a popular player like LeBron James. A few months ago, that NFT, serial number 23, sold for $230,000 US. Another thing I like about NBA Top Shot is that there is already a loyal NBA fan base, and it's a community that will always be around. Even if the NFT market bubble bursts, I believe the fans of the NBA will continue to collect these moments. And being a Raptors fan myself, I think it's kind of fun collecting and trading these moments. Other NFT platforms include Super Rare, Nifty Gateway, Solana Art, Foundation, Mintable, and many more. There's even NFT powered video games like Axel Infinity, Crypto Kittens, and Decentraland. The best part of being able to buy NFTs with Ether is that your payment will be accepted globally. So us Canadians are able to buy NFTs all over the world. So should you buy and sell NFTs to try and make a profit? Not financial advice? Yes. If 1, you're willing to lose 100% of what you put in. 2, you can spend a lot of time researching and understanding the market. And 3, if you already have a fully funded emergency fund and a balanced investment portfolio.
Oh, okay.
I still have a lot to learn before I put some serious money into NFTs. I currently have less than $1,000 put into my NBA Top Shot account. I find it's a lot harder to 10x your money, but it's a lot less volatile. And just like when we were kids collecting baseball, hockey, basketball cards, or Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh cards, we didn't think it'd be worth something back then. It was just a fun hobby to collect and trade among your friends. Whether you invest in NFTs or not, NFTs are here to stay. They are not just a JPEG file. NFTs is a technology that will change the way we collect art, buy event tickets, play video games, manage logistics, buy real estate, and more. If you're ready to choose a crypto exchange, check out one of the videos on the right of the screen. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace.